How to switch account in Bluesky Social. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can switch your account in Bluesky. Launch your application and then get logged into your specific Bluesky account. Once done, tap on three bar icon on your top left hand side, then tap on Settings. As it is so, if we have already added another account, you will see an option that says Switch Account. So you have to tap onto it and then tap onto the account which you would like to switch to. In my case, I have not added any secondary account. So if you can also relate, then tap on Add Another Account. From here, you can either create a secondary account or sign in to your existing one. And likewise, once done, it will automatically show you this account here, the one that you just added. And all you have to do is tap onto it in order to switch the account. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.